Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Doro. Today's video, I am excited about it because it is a request video from Dream on Dreamer, and it's asking me if I can make a video on how to get rid of dry hands. If you want to learn how to avoid dry hands and how to treat dry hands, keep on watching. This hand treatment only uses 2 products. The first product that you need is a jar of petroleum jelly or Vaseline, and the second product that you need is a pair of cotton gloves. So now this is the fun part. The first thing you're gonna do is to apply Vaseline all over your hands. It doesn't have to be like thick, like a lot of layer of Vaseline. Enough product that you feel like comfortable, and then just put the gloves and go to bed, because it has to stay on your hands for about 6 hours. Gloves are gonna help you to hold in the moisture on your hands. Look at it in this way, it's going to lock that moisture on your skin throughout the night, and the next day your hands are gonna be super soft and moisturized. But if you suffer every single day with dry hands, trying to do this every single day before going to bed, the first thing that you need to avoid is using soaps. I'm talking about bar soaps or liquid soaps that contains fragrances, preservatives, sulfates. All of these are just gonna make your hands super dry. Investing liquid hand soaps that contains aloe vera, oatmeal, chamomile, and even coconut oil, you can find those at any pharmacy. The other tip is that every time you wash your hands, you right away apply hand lotion. That is the important thing, okay? And I don't know why I'm holding my hands like, yes, don't let it go. Just keep in mind the air conditioner is going to dry out your hands crazy. That's why it is super important to always keep a hand lotion everywhere you go, because at the office, at your home, when you go to a restaurant, you're gonna be exposed to the air conditioner, and that's just gonna take the moisture out of your skin, and it's gonna cause super dry hands. You need to exfoliate them at least once a week. Always wear gloves when you're going to manipulate chemicals. I'm talking about if you're gonna clean your bathroom, if you do, or wash your dishes, if you do, or anything that it has chemicals. So try it on, let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys like and enjoy this. If you wanted to become part of this organic family, you only need to subscribe, and I'll see you on Friday. Pura Vida.